Today we're going to have a look at how the attachment process works in the new software. This will be a broad overview, not detailed instructions. It's just to give us an idea of how it all works. So the attachment process is made via this bar down here. We don't need to open other options as we did previously. And there's two methods. We can either click on this bar and select the files as we did previously, or we can drag and drop them there. So we'll have a look at the drag and drop method first. So the first thing we need to do is to shrink the window so that we can open up File Explorer. So we'll just do that, shrink it down to half size. And what we see is that the forum gets scrunched in between the sidebars, so we can close the sidebars using these two collapse buttons up here. And there's our target, our drag and drop target. Now over here we've got some files. We can load up to 10 files at once. 10 files of up to 7 megabytes. So let's select from there to here. And we'll just drag those and drop them down. And you see those dotted lines that appear? They're essential for a successful drag and drop. So we drop them on, and then it starts loading them up one by one. You can see the bar go across as it loads up. Now we'll expand this back full screen and we'll restore the sidebars and all the attachments have loaded. We can see up the top here that it's telling us that you have reached the maximum number of attachments allowed per post. So that's because we uploaded 10 attachments. And down here on the size bar we've got 12.5 megabytes out of a possible 80. So plenty of size capacity left, but we've just reached the maximum number. So now if we're happy with those, then we've got our text entered in. We'll just click post and it goes ahead and posts them. And there they all are. So that was the drag and drop method. Now let's have a look at the more traditional click and select method. And we use the same bar down here. So we single left click on that bar. Here's our files. So we'll select the same 10 that we uploaded last time. Single left click on the open button. There they are uploading. Pause for a minute. Now they're all uploaded, we have the same message up the top about maximum number of attachments being reached and the same megabyte count at the bottom. So we'll go ahead and press post. And there they are attached to our post. So which method you choose just depends on your personal preference. I've actually come to like the traditional file selection method just because it's a little bit more controlled than the drag and drop, which can be a little bit hit and miss at times.